Today we're going to be testing and overviewing this smart switch for your incandescent light or LED. We're going to be testing this with Alexa and Google Home, and we'll begin now. $120 500 watt incandescent light, 150 watt LED. So 150 watt LED, that's will be a lot. Supports wireless 2.4 gigahertz. Very important now, because you got to make sure your modem is dual band. Now, every smart switch, every smart light bulb, even Google, Alexa, anything, all works with 2.4 gigahertz. Not this, only this. Everything works with 2.4. So make sure your modem supports 2.4. All right, the next thing is you need to download the application called SmartLife. Pretty simple. You can search that either in Apple Store and Google Home, or if not, you can scan this and download it. This is one application you can use, and this will map automatic search for your Google Home or to learn on the Alexa. So we look at the switch. Here we can switch incandescent or LED. I guess you will switch that once, because you're not going to be changing light bulbs. Let me see some of the wires. This is the load wire. This is the ground wire, and we got the line and the neutral. Now, make sure you look your box before you're going to buy one of these things. Make sure you got 3 wires. You need to have neutral. Why? Because this box by itself requires power. It will not work with this too. Because why? You have the switch. You got power coming in. That will be your line. So you have to change it with a tester or something. Make sure that's the line coming in. And then the output is once it goes to light bulb, and then it closes right into your neutral. All right, so this is between the metal. So you're going to do that. You're going to put your ground wire, either if a metal box, you put in the metal box, or if you got the ground wire, normally you have the ground wire hook up there, and this is your neutral. So in a regular switch, you don't require neutral because it's a regular switch. It doesn't require any power. But with this, it does require that. So make sure you look your box. Make sure you have a neutral right over here. And that's actually what I was saying. You got your neutral wire. And see, you connect your wire, your line in the ground. I'll give you another way here. All right. And to show you different ways you can connect it. All right, so let's test it. Now, I create a little jig here to simulate that it's in a wall switch, but it's easy to make a video this way. So we got a light, we got Alexa. I'm going to test this with Google as well. Now, when you plug in the first time, it blinks. It means it requires synchronization. But the switch by itself, if you press it right, you need to touch it. You don't need to press anything. It will work. Even if you want the light brighter, you just hold it here. It becomes brighter, and if you want lower, it will become low. So let's go into, we see the data H, we go H, that's the highest. So now the next thing we need to do is install, or if you have already a SmartLife installed there. Like I said before, remember that any of this type of application, it requires you to create an account, no matter across the board, whatever the smart switch, light bulbs, any smart device, it requires a third-party application to sync with Google Alexa. Because Alexa by itself, or what they call learning skills, or Google by itself will not do anything. Requires the third-party application to increase the link. Requires the link. So now we're gonna a plus there. And we're gonna be adding a wall switch. It's blinking rapidly. That's the password you create an account on the SmartLife. We confirm and we wait. It will change to a line, and then the L, when it's finally connected, it becomes the letter L. Takes about 60 seconds. It really sees it goes black. That's the first signal. When you see that, it's everything is good. We see that. Make sure you are in 2.4 gigahertz, and make sure your phone is in 2.4 gigahertz. Make sure your phone is not in data or anything. It has to be in the local network. And if you got a 5 gigahertz, switch your phone to 2.4.
I found KS7011, and you can control it by saying, turn off KS7011.
So, done. We complete now. And technically, from here, or from your phone, I can turn it off. turn it on again. I see. Oh yeah, as this, turn it on. I can control this, and you see that's high. We need to go low. And as you see here, changing the screen too. So what we're gonna do now? Let's control it with Alexa. Alexa, turn off KS 7011. Yeah. Now you will rename it. You're not gonna call that, but for me, just to make a video. So Alexa, turn on KS 7011. Alexa, turn on KS 7011. Perfect. Now, because you already learned the skill, so now, and Google already recognized it because I got both connected. So now I didn't touch anything on Google, but already knows it's a smart device because I already linked the SmartLife with the Google account. So, hey Google, turn off KS 7011. Turn on KS 7011. So as you see, I can turn it off and on with the Google, and also if we want, we can use Alexa to dim the lights or 50% or 20%. That's pretty simple. So if you follow the step, you should be, in a matter of no time, be able to configure and set up your smart devices. Now with this, we complete the tutorial. So remember, if you see a little hand, make sure you click a like. If you see the handful hand, yes, this video helped me to configure my smart switch. So click on it. Thank you.